Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video, I will be showing you guys the new PS Vita homebrew game called Kill 'Em All. So this homebrew game is actually really well made. It even looks like an Android or iPhone app. That's how well designed this thing was. It's made using Unity like most of the new PS Vita homebrew games, and this one was so good, I just thought I'd make a video on it. So if you guys want to follow along and get it as well, let's just go ahead and open up Vita Shell like normal. When Vita Shell loads, we're just going to press select. Let's connect our PS Vita to our PC, and I will show you guys what to do next.
So I will leave a link to the Kill 'Em All GitHub in the description of this video. This is just the main page. We can scroll down, read a bit about the game. So it just says, "Hi everyone, this is the story of a man who is alone and you have to kill them all." Basically, this is a really well-made homebrew game. It's like really good quality. So as you can see here, it literally looks like an Android or iPhone app. And it also has the controls on here if you want to check those out quickly. But if you guys just want to download it, go to the download tab right here and just click on the releases tab. This is just going to open up a new page, and we just need to click on the Kill 'Em All .rar file. Just click on this. You have to have like WinRAR or 7-zip to extract this. So just wait for this to download. It's around 467 megabytes, so quite a large zip file for a homebrew game, but it's pretty well made and it's got decent graphics. So we are just going to wait for this to download, and when it's done, what we can do is go to our downloads folder. Okay, so mine's finished downloading. Let's go over to my downloads and find it in there. And it's very simple. What we need to do is get our RAR file, right click and select extract here. So while this is extracting, it shouldn't take too long, let's just wait for it. And once it's done, all we have to do is drag and drop the 500.vpk over on the root of our PS Vita. So keep in mind it's 495 megabytes. So this is actually going to take like quite a while to copy across. So I've already done it. But yeah, that is pretty much it. You just need to copy it across. So yeah, let's go back onto our PS Vita. Let's test out the homebrew game and let's see what it's like.
Let's go onto our UXO or wherever you put the VPK file. Let's go and find it, and we just need to install it. So here it is. It's just called 500.vpk. Now mine actually took quite a while to install. I think that's because it's around 500 megabytes, but you would just press X like normal and then go ahead and install it. I'm just going to press circle because I've already got it. Obviously you just press X again, just install the whole VPK. It took me maybe over 5 minutes, so that's why I installed it before, but here it is, Kill 'Em All. So let's go and just launch this up and let's test it out. So if you get this error at the top, don't worry, this game doesn't have network features anyway. Just wait for it to load. It does take a while. If it's on this logo, it's not frozen or anything, you just have to wait for it. So the game has full working sound obviously, and has music and everything like that. And as you can see, this is pretty much what I mean. It's really like an Android or iOS game. That's pretty much, you know, what it looks like. So as you can see, we've got like a main menu. I've actually already started this up, and it did let me select a player name, but it looks like I'm stuck as player 1 now. So let's just go ahead and try warm up and then start missions. Yeah, I really like this. This is looking like really good. The character's really well made. You know, it has songs and everything like that on here. So this is the tutorial. So it says this button is used to shoot at your enemy. Pressing the button will let you shoot a weapon basically. So yeah, look how amazing this looks for a homebrew game. It's actually really cool, and as you can see, it's even got the touch controls on screen, pretty much just like this was an iPhone game. Maybe it even was designed like an iPhone game. That's, you know, quite a good possibility. Obviously we've got the zoom button as well, and yeah, pretty insane. Now the other analog stick doesn't seem to be working right now. Keep in mind I haven't actually played this before, so I haven't actually, you know, really learned what this game is too much, but it looks like we've got an enemy there. Oh god, I'm getting shot. Oh, I see the enemies have health, so we can take cover. And you can press R to shoot, and there you go. So maybe this is actually an app. I'm going to have to research this actually, because I'm not 100% sure. Maybe it was an app before I actually like made the video. I'll have a look in a second on my phone. But let's just take this enemy out right here. Oh yeah, so it's one of these games. Okay, so you don't actually control the character. It looks like it moves by itself, and then you just have to shoot the enemies, and then you can, you know, take cover just so they don't kill you. So there's a grenade. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to survive that, but 73% of health. Why'd they keep on throwing grenades? There you go. So yeah, really good quality. I really like the graphics of it. It's a pretty decent game considering it's a completely free homebrew game. It's actually really good. This has actually been entered into that PS Vita homebrew game competition. So I guess this is one that's probably going to be at the top. Unless it was just ported over, we will find out in a minute if this app actually exists. So we've got another mission. This is probably the main game now. So as you can see, there's 3 main missions on here. We can also upgrade our weapon. This is a really cool game. A really cool homebrew game on the PS Vita. Normally we're used to homebrew games being pretty basic, apart from the emulators. The emulators are normally quite good, but this one is really well made. Now if you guys are wondering about an app, no, it's not actually an app, it's literally a PlayStation Vita game. Well, I couldn't find it on Android anyway, maybe it's on iOS, but it's definitely not on Android. I searched a few APK websites and it didn't appear on there, so it generally looks like it's a complete game. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure to check out this game, it's actually really good. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.